Hello friends, I am Professor Maskasar. I welcome back to you my channel. So in this today's video, we are going to see warming up activities, English workshop activities, and activities from language study section of the lesson Teeny Tiny of 7th class. So let's get started. Begin with some of the warming up activities. Question 1. You know that the adjectives are used to describe nouns. They describe many aspects of a noun. Find more examples that will suit in each of the boxes below. Answer. Size. A small basket, a big stone, a tall tree, a large mouth. म्हणजे साइज सी जे ॲडजेक्टिव्ह सूट होतात त्या ॲडजेक्टिव्ह आणि नाउनच्या पेयर्स आपल्याला या ठिकाणी लिहायचे आहेत. नेक्स्ट, एज वयासी, अ यंग मॅन, अन ओल्ड वुमन, अ यंगर ब्रदर, अन ओल्डर ब्रदर. शेप, आकारासी, अ राउंड रिंग, अ स्क्वेअर बॉक्स, अ ट्रायंगुलर हँगर, अ रेक्टेंग्युलर कॉट. आता रंगाशी संबंधित, अ रेड रोज, अ पिंक ड्रेस, अ ग्रीन बुक, अ व्हाईट पेपर. ओरिजिन म्हणजे उगम कुठून झालेला आहे. चायनीज फूड, अमेरिकन फॅशन, इंडियन कल्चर, जॅपनीज टेक्नॉलॉजी. त्यानंतर क्वालिटी सी, अ क्लेवर बॉय, अन ऑनेस्ट मॅन, अ नोबेल किंग, अ वाइज बॉय. मटेरियल म्हणजे जे काही पदार्थ असतात, अ प्लास्टिक ट्रेन, आयर्न रॉड्स, अ गोल्डन चेन, अन ॲल्युमिनियम पॉट. यूज वापराशी संबंधित, अ स्विमिंग टँक, अ बाथिंग टब, अ जम्पिंग रोप, अँड ड्रिंकिंग वॉटर. Why is the teeny tiny voice speech given in larger type every time? Answer. The teeny tiny voice speech is given in a larger type every time to show the loud voice and to express thread in the story. English workshop. Describe the teeny tiny woman's house using details from the story and your imagination. Answer. The teeny tiny woman had a very small house. It was suitable only for her. The stairs of the house were very small. Her bed, cupboard, and other things in her small house were very small. Her clothes were also tiny. Read the following sentences and fill in the blanks. So I have already underlined the answers. The teeny tiny woman lived in a teeny tiny house in a teeny tiny village. The teeny tiny woman went out to take a teeny tiny walk. The teeny tiny woman went into a teeny tiny churchyard. The teeny tiny woman found a teeny tiny bone on a teeny tiny grave. The teeny tiny woman put the teeny tiny bone into her teeny tiny pocket. The teeny tiny woman went home and put the teeny tiny bone into a teeny tiny cupboard. The teeny tiny woman was awakened by a teeny tiny voice from the teeny tiny cupboard. The teeny tiny woman was a teeny tiny bit frightened. And number 9, the teeny tiny woman said in her loudest teeny tiny voice. The word teeny tiny is a compound word. संयुक्त शब्द आहे तो. That is a word made of two words. म्हणजे दोन शब्दांनी तयार झालेले. Words like teeny tiny are mostly used in informal language, children's stories and songs, folk tales, etc. हा जो teeny tiny शब्द जो आहे लोककथामध्ये, औपचारिक भाषामध्ये किंवा मुलांच्या गोष्टी किंवा गीतामध्ये याचा वापर केला जातो. राईट अदर वर्ड्स लाईक टिनी टायनी. आपल्याला या टिनी टायनी सारखेच दुसरे शब्द तयार करायचे, जसं इन्सी विन्सी, टिकटॉक, फ्लिप फ्लॅप, हिकरी टिकरी, चिट चॅट, क्रिस क्रॉस, डिंग डॉंग and bow wow. Use the list of adjectives you have made in the activity on page number 44. See if you can write funny meaningful sentences using one or more of these. Adjective, for example, a big red ant found a big red grain of corn in a big red house. The little silver fairy cut the little silver paper with little silver scissors. अशा प्रकारचे आपल्याला ऍडजेक्टिव्ह यूज करून काही सेंटेन्स तयार करायचे. Here the first sentence. A small green parrot found a small green chili in a small green plant. A round pig ate a fat round pumpkin from a fat round basket. Discuss and write briefly. What you should do when you find something in the street. If I find anything in the street, I would think carefully before I touch it because it might be dangerous to touch or lift an unknown thing. So I won't touch it. Though it is attractive or valuable, I will advise others to stay away from it. I would immediately call the police. What could have happened when the old woman said, "Take it"? When the old woman said, "Take it," the bone must have come out of the teeny tiny cupboard and must have flown to the grave. 2 minutes of oral work. Tell as many negative sentences as possible within 2 minutes. He did not. आपल्याला negative sentence लिहायचे, so you are free to write your answer. He did not like my idea of going to picnic. They do not want my help. She does not help her mother. We do not complete our homework. They are not singing well. We should not waste food and water. I don't like to eat fast food. It does not eat grass. They were not playing on the road. And she has not done her project. So friends, thank you very much for watching the video. If you like the video, please like and share the video.